Hello. Uh, in this video, I will talk some more about the GRE quantitative reasoning questions on average. Uh, Again, I request you to go through my videos on key ideas and averages before watching this video. The first problem we take in this video is simply to find the average of uh, the 8 angles on the figure alongside. So in this case, the two lines are not parallel and there is no need for them to be parallel. We are asked simply to find the average of the 8 angles. So we know that the sum of these 4 angles is 360 degree and the sum of these 4 angles is 360 degree and the sum of the 8 angles is 720 degree, and we divide it by 8 and the average comes out to be 90 degree. So A is the average of 8 angles, means the value of A should be 90 degree. Now let's go to the second problem. The second problem says that Lori's average on 4 tests is 60. So she has given 4 tests, 1, 2, 3, 4, and average score is 60. So which of the following cannot be the number of tests on which she earned exactly 60 points? So we have to check whether she can earn 60 on exactly 0 tests, 60 on exactly 1 test, 60 on exactly 2 tests, 60 on exactly 3 tests, or 60 on exactly 4 tests. Let us examine one by one. So in order to obtain an average of 60 on 4 tests, we have to, she has to obtain a total of 240 marks. 240 marks. So without obtaining any 60, she can get a total of 240. For example, she can get 40 here, 80 here, 40 here, 80 here. So the total is 240 and she has not obtained any 60. So she can obtain 60 on 0 test, and this is not our answer because we have to answer about cannot. So now about 1. So let us again, she can obtain 60 here, she can obtain 60 here and obtain a total of 180 on this 3 test. For example, she can obtain 40 here, 50 here, and 90 here. So 9, 5, 40, 140, 180, 240. So now again the average will be 60. So she can obtain 60 on exactly 1 test. Again, this is not our correct answer. Now let us try about 2. So she can obtain 60 on 2 tests, and 40 and 80 and third and fourth test, and the resulting total will be 240 and average will be 60. So she can obtain 60 on 2 tests. So this is not again our answer. So now she can obtain 60 on each of the 4 tests and the average will be 60. Now the only possibility is 3. She cannot obtain 60 on exactly 3 tests. So in order for the average to be 60, if she obtains 60 on 3 tests, she must obtain 60 on the fourth test. So it means that she cannot earn exactly 60 points on 3 tests only. If the score on the 4 test is different from 60, the average won't be 60. For example, she obtained 60 on exactly 3 tests only, but on the 4th test she did not earn 60. For example, she earned 58 only. Now the sum will not be 240, it will be 238. So it won't be equal to 60. So if she earns 60 on 3 tests, her score on the 4th test must be 60 automatically. So she cannot earn 60 on exactly 3 tests only. So this is our correct answer. So now we move to problem 3. So this is very simple question, quantitative comparison question. Here we have to compare whether the quantity A or B is bigger. So quantity A is the average of these 4 numbers. So sum of the 4 numbers divided by 4. Here the average of 5 numbers, so divided by 5. So but the one of the observation is 0. So the sum of these 4 numbers and sum of these 5 numbers will be same. So therefore quantity A is greater because we're dividing by a smaller number. Now let us move to problem 4. In this problem, y is a positive quantity and we have to compare the average of x and y and average of x, y and 2y. So here average of x and y means x plus y by 2. Here average of x, y and 2y. So we can solve this problem in 2 ways. One is by putting the values of x and y, and in another way we can simplify the expression. So now we can cross multiply. This becomes 3x plus 3y. This becomes 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y plus 4y. So now we can subtract this expression from both of the sides. So then it becomes x plus y, here 4y. Again we can subtract y from both sides, so this is x, this is 3y. So since y is positive, this is always positive number. Our quantity b is always positive number, but nothing has been said about x. It can be 0, it can be a positive number, it can be a negative number. So the relationship cannot be determined and our answer must be D. Now we move to question number 5. Just like question number 4, we can solve this question by simplifying the expressions. Here this is x plus y over 2. This is x plus y over 3. Just cross multiply. This becomes 3x plus 3y. This becomes 2x plus 2y plus 2y. So this is 3x plus 3y. This is 2x plus, this is 4y. So subtract 2x from both sides and 3y from both sides. So it becomes, if we subtract 2x from both sides, this becomes x only. And if we again subtract 3y from both sides, this will become y only. So now since in the information it has been provided that x is always smaller than y, so this side is y, this side is x, so this side is always greater than y, so quantity b is always greater. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for watching more videos in the future.